Hey there, science fans. Have you ever wondered why you have your mum's eyes or your dad's hair? The answer lies in a fascinating field called genetics, the study of heredity. It's like a set of instructions, a blueprint passed down from parents to their offspring. It's what makes you, you. Genetics helps us understand why living things share similarities with their relatives and how variations occur. It explores how traits, like eye color or height, are passed down through generations. This field is full of incredible discoveries that have revolutionized medicine, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. Get ready to dive into the amazing world of genes, chromosomes, and inheritance. We'll break down complex concepts into bite-sized pieces, making it easy and fun to learn about the building blocks of life. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed by the power of genetics. Chromosome structure, that's what chromosomes are like. They are thread-like structures found inside the nucleus of every cell. These structures are made up of DNA, the molecule carrying the genetic code. Think of DNA as a long, twisted ladder. Each rung of this ladder is made up of pairs of chemicals called bases, A, T, G, and C. The sequence of these bases forms the genetic code, the language of life. Genes are specific segments of DNA, like individual chapters in the instruction manual. They hold the blueprints for specific traits, like hair color or blood type. Each gene provides instructions for building a particular protein. Proteins carry out various functions. All enzymes are proteins, and some hormones like insulin and glucagon are proteins. All antibodies are proteins. They determine our traits and characteristics. Remember how genes are like chapters in the instruction manual? Alleles are like different versions of the same gene. Let's say there's a gene for eye color. One allele might code for brown eyes, while another allele might code for blue eyes. You inherit two alleles for each gene, one from each parent. These alleles can be the same or different. If they are the same, you are homozygous for that gene. If they are different, you are heterozygous. The combination of alleles you inherit determines your genotype, your unique genetic makeup for that trait. The expression of your genotype, the observable characteristic, is called your phenotype. For example, if you have one allele for brown eyes and one for blue eyes, your genotype is heterozygous for eye color, but your phenotype, the color you see in the mirror, might be brown. Section 4. Diploid and haploid cells, a tale of two nuclei. Cells, the basic units of life, can be diploid or haploid depending on the number of chromosome sets they contain. Most cells in our body are diploid, containing two complete sets of chromosomes, one set from each parent. We represent this as 2n, where n is the number of chromosomes in one set. However, some special cells, like sperm and egg cells, are haploid. They contain only one set of chromosomes, represented as n. This ensures that when they unite during fertilization, the resulting offspring receives the correct number of chromosomes. The human diploid number is 46, meaning we have 23 pairs of chromosomes in our somatic cells. Our haploid number is 23, present in sperm and egg cells. Section 5. Zygote formation, where it all begins. The story of a new life begins with the fusion of two special cells, a sperm and an egg. This process, called fertilization, marks the formation of a zygote, the very first cell of a new organism. Remember that sperm and egg cells are haploid, each carrying one set of chromosomes, 1n. When they combine, their nuclei fuse, pooling their genetic material together. This fusion restores the diploid number of chromosomes in the zygote, giving it one set from each parent. This single-celled zygote now contains all the genetic information needed to develop into a complex organism. It undergoes rapid cell divisions, multiplying and differentiating to form various tissues and organs, eventually growing into a fully formed individual.